name's Mrs Watson and I'm subject leader for maths here at Prenton High School. I'm going to talk to you today about GCSE Maths, the route forward and what that might look like for you as students here at Prenton. GCSE Maths is a core subject, and that means that you have to take GCSE Maths at the end of year 11. You get a single GCSE grade in Maths, and actually we've already started the GCSE course this year in year 9 because we like to take it slow and steady over the course of 3 years. Maths is crucial, not just because obviously it's important to get a good GCSE grade, but because it underpins lots of the learning that you will do in other subjects such as geography, all 3 sciences, physics, chemistry, biology, subjects like catering, subjects like computer science. So it's also absolutely crucial to allow you to function out there in the real world. So there are a number of skills that you need to have in order to be successful at GCSE Maths. You need to be logical. You can think of GCSE Maths as one big puzzle if you like, and the more logical you are, the more successful you will be in solving the puzzles that make up GCSE Maths. You have to be a good communicator. Now lots of people associate communication with subjects like language, but communicating in maths is absolutely crucial as well. If you think about a Wordy Wednesday problem that you might already have solved lower down the school, and you think about the number of steps that you have to take to get from the beginning of that problem to the end, then you have to communicate your solution to us. And in English you might be communicating verbally. In maths we like to see that on paper. So we will be teaching you in quite a lot of detail how to communicate. You also need to be patient. A lot of students expect to come across a maths topic and get it instantly. But there's various branches of maths that some of you might find more challenging at different times when you're following the GCSE Maths course. You might not get it quite straight away, you might not grasp it instantly, so you have to be patient. You will get there in the end, and remember that practice makes perfect. The final thing I want to say that lots of people don't realise can make a big difference is when you're out there in the big wide world, looking around, taking all the maths that you see. If you're in the house, you want to do some baking, take in the maths that you're using, look in the cupboards at home. All that awareness of maths and how it functions out there in the real world will help you to have a better grasp when you're working in the classroom. Okay, in maths we offer support to any students that need it all the way through the GCSE course. So in your lunch times or after schools, you can literally drop into your maths teacher. That could be a single session just to ask about a particular concept, or it might be that you just need a 6-week stint as a confidence builder to really get your confidence moving. We also offer some challenges. So we offer a UKMT challenge that students can enter, and that's set by Leeds University. We also offer a maths challenge set by Liverpool University. And if you want to enter those challenges, then there will be support sessions that your maths teachers will offer to you in the build up to those challenges. We also, as you know, like to set Maths Watch homework, and therefore to support you with that, we do have Maths Watch Club. One really nice extracurricular support that we have in the maths department is that we often like GCSE students to act as maths buddies to the younger students. You have to have a good numeracy grasp here, because don't forget, if you're working with younger students that might struggle, you really need to be clear in your head how all the methods work so that you can offer and be really clear in your explanations to younger students. So in maths, we cover 5 main areas: number, algebra, geometry, data and ratio. Now within those 5 areas we have a lot of topics to cover, so the maths curriculum is pretty broad. So at the beginning of all our lessons we will continue to use the mixed starters that we use at the moment to really give you confidence and help you your recall and your retention of different maths topics. As you know, girls from lower down the school, we use Maths Watch in our lessons. They're the short videos that help you to revise different topics, and we often use those as a teaching tool as well. Those Maths Watch videos and questions are also used in your homework so that you can go away and revise independently of the lessons that you're taught in school. We don't just like to use Maths Watch though. Remember that we alternate our homework with our written booklets as well, so that you're getting plenty of practice in those techniques that you're going to need in those final written exam papers. You will know that all your maths teachers use the Clever Touch boards, which is the brilliant technology that we've got in the maths classrooms. And as well as being a super resource, it really brings shape lessons to life. So all those geometry lessons where you meet those angle topics, transformation topics, and that enables you to produce some really brilliant practical work from us, because you can see it coming to life in front of you when it's taught. As we spoke about communication earlier being so important to develop your GCSE skills, we use our Wordy Wednesday booklets all the way through our GCSE course. Remember, that's on a Wednesday lesson. When we stop what we're doing, we take our booklets and we look at those sorts of problems where maths is used, but we have to apply our skills as well. And that's where the communication will come in and is so important. Qualification in maths just opens the future for you in so many careers. Anything to do with science, so that can be any of the 3 sciences, a career in medicine, a career in pharmacy, nursing, midwifery. Then you're looking at careers in design, anything to do with design technology, anything to do with architecture, careers with geography. Don't forget that we live in a digital world these days. And so any careers to do with videos, gaming, computing are all going to contain some element of maths. So GCSE Maths might be more challenging for some students than others, but remember, good mathematical knowledge gives you a real grounding in what you're going to meet out there in the big wide world.